In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this maths problem easy and fast. Okay, so let's look at the question together and see if that is something the calculator will be needed to solve faster. So the question says we have a right angle triangle here. It says note figure not drawn to scale for the right triangle shown a equals 4 and b equals 5, which expression represents the value of c. So guys, all you need here is just the knowledge of Pythagoras theorem and you'll be good to go. And we know that Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares on the other two sides. Okay, so this is usually our hypotenuse, the longest side of the triangle. Okay, so this is our opposite and this is our adjacent. Okay, and we have the value of a to be 4, the value of b to be 5, and the value of c is unknown. So for the Pythagoras theorem, this is going to be which expression represents the value of c. So it will be c square equals, we have 4 square plus 5 square. Okay, to make c solid formula, you square root both sides. Okay, so our c will be square root of 4 square plus 5 square. Okay, so the right answer is option D. So we don't need a calculator to punch anything. Okay, so that's it for this question. It's as simple as this. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, getting information how to solve all our maths problems we're dealing with. Okay, so having done this, click on the end screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.